my channel. Today we are going to turn this sign that I got from Dollar Tree into an orange bird sign. So here's what you will need: sandpaper, a pencil, paintbrushes, paint in the colors orange, yellow, green, black, brown, and white, water, glitter, which is optional, and Elmer's clear glue, which is also optional. So let's get started. So before this, off camera, I pre-sanded the sign, and you want to make sure that the graphic is completely off. That way you don't have any glitter or anything when you're painting it white as a base. So next I will paint the sign orange as a base for when we paint the rind and the peel. So the next part we're going to paint here is the rind. So next we're going to paint the orange peel on the side. So next we are going to repaint the inside of the orange because the color that I used was too light. Although on camera it shows up like a reddish orange color, it's really an orange in person, so. So this next part is where I'm making the head of Orange Bird plus the body of Orange Bird. As you can see, I'm painting him on the left side of the screen. And I'm beginning on painting him the base orange color. And then I'm going to add the details in a minute here. So this next step I thought was a bright idea, to just paint the same onto the side, which didn't turn out very well. So I had to kind of use my reference of the 70s style font that I wanted to use and then try and replicate it as I saw it on the computer onto my sign, which turned out a lot better. So this next step is optional, but we are going to glitter the orange bird. So first we are going to take our Elmer's clear school glue, and then we are going to paint it right on the area that we are going to glitter, and then just sprinkle the glitter of your choice right on Orange Bird. And then you're done. I hope you enjoyed making this appealing, such a punny joke, Orange Bird sign. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment below, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss Friday uploads. Until then, have an enchanting day.